Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen size on MSI MAG 321 CUP. To do it, click on the back button to open the menu, then go to Image, go to the right and go all the way down to Screen Size. Then go to the right and now you can set it to Auto, 4:3. To approve, click on OK, then it will change it. Or you can also set it to 16:9, which is the default value. Then you can set it to 24.5 inch. That display, this display normally is 31.5, so it makes it smaller. Or you can also set it to 27 inch, or go back and set it to Auto. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.